JEE 2024 Maths. Let S be the set of all pairs alpha beta belonging to R cross R such that limit x tends to infinity sin x square into log base e x whole to the power alpha into sin 1 upon x square divided by x to the power alpha into beta into log base e of 1 plus x power beta equal to 0. Then which of the following choices is or are correct? You have to find out. Okay, so let us see. Multiple correct answers is there. This is our expression which is given in the question, that limit of this whole function as x tends to infinity is 0. Now clearly x tends to infinity means 1 by x will tend to 0 or 1 by x square will also tends to 0. Therefore this sin 1 upon x square, if we will just do the modification by multiplying by 1 upon x square and dividing by 1 upon x square throughout numerator and denominator, so we will get this as a limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x type of function, which will give you 1. This you know, so that will be reduced to, now your expression will be like this: limit x tends to infinity sin x square into log ex power alpha into 1 upon x power alpha beta plus 2, because this x square and this x power alpha beta will be multiplied together, so power will be added, and denominator log e 1 plus x power beta equal to 0. Okay, now see what we can do extra. This time we will just do by division log ex power b and multiplication log ex power b in the numerator and denominator. Okay, so we will, what will happen, we will see now. This limit x tends to sin x square, this is your extra division, this is your extra multiplication, this was already there log ex power alpha 1 upon x power alpha beta plus 2, and this was already there log e 1 plus x beta equal to 0. Now limit x tends to infinity sin x square log ex alpha minus beta, these two same, so power will be subtracted, this will be as it is, and this will log base ex upon log base e 1 plus x whole to the power beta equal to 0. Now one more thing we know, that limit x tends to infinity log ex upon log e of 1 plus x takes the form of infinity by infinity, and if we apply L'Hospital rule, then the numerator will give you 1 upon x and denominator will give you 1 upon 1 plus x, which in turn give you 1 plus x upon x. So when x tends to infinity, this will reduce to 1 upon x plus 1, so when x tends to infinity this expression will give you 1. So using this formula that its value is having 1, we will utilize this one here. Okay, same case is there, so now our expression will take this form: limit x tends to infinity sin x square log ex power alpha minus beta and x power alpha beta plus 2 and 1 power beta, that is 1 only. So now our expression has reduced till here. Also one thing you know, that this sin x square means sine function, so it takes the values between minus 1 and 1 always, for all x belongs to r. Okay, whether it is x, whether it is x square, whatever it may be, but sine function is always oscillating between minus 1 and 1. So sine in whatever real number. Okay, so if you will put sine infinity square, that will also lie between this minus 1 and 1, means it will take always a finite value, so this will not going to harm you anywhere. Okay, we will have to pay attention on these two terms, which is in numerator and this is in denominator. So now we will do check for the choices given we have. First of all, the alpha beta value is given as minus 1 and 3 belongs to s, suppose. So limit x tends to infinity sin x square alpha, in place of alpha we will write minus 1, in place of beta minus 3, so log ex power minus 1 minus 3 divided by x alpha is minus 1 into 3 plus 2 alpha beta plus 2. So this will give you limit x tends to infinity sin x square. This will serve log e x power minus 4 divided by x power minus 1. So finally, if you make the power as positive, so this x will go here and log x will come down, so power will become positive. In this way you are saying that this is something finite value, this is infinity, this is also tending to infinity, but this will be the leading term, means because x is always greater than log ex. Okay, so this will be little less than this, so finally you will get this will be the dominating term, so this expression will take the value of infinity. But our according to the question, its value should be 0, so this option we will discard. Okay, false. Now come to the next option, minus 1 and 1. When alpha is minus 1 and beta is 1 belongs to s. So limit x tends to infinity, it's sin x square log ex minus 1 minus 1, x to the power minus 1 into 1 plus 2. So this time sin x square log ex power minus 2 upon x. Again when it will, you will bring it here, so what you are able to see that now it's becoming 1 upon x type of terms where x tends to infinity. So the whole expression will take the value of 0, because again this is little less than this x, log ex is less than this, so this will be the leading term. So leading term is 1 upon infinity. 1 upon infinity is nothing but 0, so this is correct option. Here C, alpha is 1 and beta is minus 1, so limit x tends to infinity sin x square log ex alpha minus beta means 1 minus minus 1 divided by x power alpha into beta 1 into minus 1 plus 2. So limit x tends to infinity sin x square log ex square upon x. So here also log ex is less than x, and x is the leading term which is in the denominator, and x tends to infinity, so it will be 0. So this is correct option. Now come here 1 and minus 2. Limit x tends to infinity sin x square log ex 1 minus minus 2 divided by x power 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So limit x tends to infinity like sin x square log ex power 3 upon x to the power 0. So here what you see, here x is not present over here, and this takes the finite value, so this is the leading term this time, which also tends to infinity when x tends to infinity. So this is false because our expression value is 0. So we have options B and option C is correct, remaining options are false. Now come another question. This is also JEE 2024 logarithmic chapters. So let a equal to 3 root 2, b is 1 upon 5 power 1 by 6 root under 6 if xy belongs to R such that 3x plus 2y is equal to log base a of 18 power 5 by 4, and 2x minus y is log base b of root under 1080. Then find 4x plus 5y. Okay, that you have to find. Let us see. Very easy question it is. A is 3 root 2 and b is 1 upon 5 power 1 by 6 into root under 6. So first we will solve this. A square means 3 square into root 2 square, that is 18. Then we will solve b. Now b is having power as 1 by 6, so we will do the power of b as 6, b6 we solve. So 1 power 6 will be 1, 5, 1 power 6 into 6 will be again 5 power 1. This 6 power half into 6, so 2 3 ja, so 1 upon 5 and 6 power 3. This will be cancelled and 3. In this way you are getting 1 upon 5 into 6 into 6 into 6, which will give you 1080. You can write that 10, therefore 1080 will be equal to 1 upon b power 6, which in turn b power minus 6. Therefore our value log base a of 18 power 5 by 4 will be, this 5 by 4 will come here by the logarithmic formula. So 5 by 4 log a of 18. 18 is nothing but a square. Just now we have calculated 18 as a square. This is okay. So we'll just write a square. So again this power will be come here. So 5 by 4 into 2 log a. Base and the main value is same when then its value is 1. So this will be cancelled out, so 5 upon 2 you are getting. Similarly, log b root under 1080. Now 1080 just now we have calculated as b power minus 6. Sorry, just now we have calculated where it is b power this one. Okay, so we will utilize that log with base b of b power minus 6 square root. So square root will be written as minus 6 upon 2. So 2 minus 3. So minus 3 will come here. So minus 3 log b of b. So this will again same. So it will be cancelled out. So 1 only. So minus 3. Now you have 3x plus 2y is log a of 18 power 5 by 4, that is 5 upon 2. 2x minus y is this one, so that is minus 3. Now we will solve. We will multiply this by 2. So 4x minus 2y minus 6. We just cancel out terms. So 4 plus 3 7x equal to 5 by 2 minus 6. So this will give you, take LCM as 2, 5 minus 12, that is minus 7 upon 2. So x will be minus 7 upon 2 into 1 by 7. So 7 7 cancel, minus 1 by 2. Also y is 2x plus 3. From here y is 2x plus 3. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3, that is it cancelled out. So 3 minus 1 is 2. You have to calculate this value, 4x plus 5y. So 4 into x is minus 1 by 2 and y is 2. So which is giving you 8 as answer. Thank you.